Step 1. Apply grease on the greasing points on the back plate. Mount the brake shoe on the back plate. Step 2. Install the park brake cable into the lever which is attached to the trailing shoe of the brake shoe. Step 3. Install the auto adjuster and the return spring to the leading shoe. Ensure that the auto adjuster is completely at off position or not adjusted. Step 4. Fix the leading and the trailing shoe together with the return spring. Step 5. Mount the brake shoe set on the back plate. Step 6. Using a screwdriver, tighten the return spring in place. Step 7. Mount the drum on the rear shaft. Step 8. Using a spanner, fix the hub bolt. Step 9. Using a torque wrench, torque the bolt to the prescribed torque. Step 10. Insert the cotter pin and using a mallet, hammer it to lock it. Step 11. Place the hubcap on the drum. Step 12. Using a plastic mallet, hammer the hubcap and fix it on the drum. Step 13. Mount the tire on the wheel. Step 14. Using a spanner, fix the wheel bolts. Step 15. Lower the vehicle from the two-post lift. Step 16. Using a torque wrench, torque the bolts to the prescribed torque.